Hey, I'm Mark, and this is the last log of my winter harvest. Racks are empty. We're gonna be making room for the summer load coming in a couple of months. All right, I got this one all ready to go. This is gonna be the face of the live edge mantle. I'll trim that knob down a little later. Let's get the first slice on it. On my first wood miser blade, the double hard V blade, designed for hardwood and low horsepower. I think this is my 15th log, if I've kept up accurately. I just took a shaving to show that one knot, maybe a little bit right there. This one is 11 3/4 of an inch wide, 6 1/4 inches thick. It'll go in the solar kiln in about 3 months. Well, we appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you on the next one.